2, 1, 2, la 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 la. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, and if this is the first time you're seeing my face, then hello and welcome. My name's Tara. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I've literally just done this little bit of a soft glam summer inspired makeup look. So if you'd like to see how I created this look today, then please keep on watching. There's a mess, but what's new on this channel? Just gonna pop my Minnie Mouse ears on. So I'm gonna prep by using my Neutrogena Hydro Boost moisturizer, and I'm just gonna pop this all over the face. Maisie, my little chihuahua. Hello baby. So jumping straight into it, let's do the eyebrows. So the eyebrow pencil I'm going to be using is my Max Factor, and this is the Brow Shaper in dark brown. So I'm just going to whiz through this bit because this bit is kind of boring and it takes me a while. So to set them in place so they don't stray or go anywhere, I'm going to use the brow gel from Primark. Absolutely love this brow gel. It was like 90p and it's my best friend, and it keeps my brows in place all day long. So as I always do, I'm going to prep the eyelids and cut out the brows using my P. Louise base in 0.5. Just going to put a little bit of this on the back of my hand. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using my EYN palette from Beauty Bay. This is the Brights palette, and I'm in love. Oh. So I'm absolutely in love with all of these colours. They're so bright and so gorgeous. So nice. The Bare Necessity shade, which is this light brown, and I'm just going to pop that straight into the crease as a transition shade. And I'm just going to lightly buff that into the crease. Go into Preppy Pecan, which is a little bit of a darker brown, and concentrate that on the outer part of the eye. Take a fluffy brush with no product on, and I'm just going to blend out the edges of this colour. You guys got any plans for the summer? I'm going to Pride in Manchester in August, and I'm so looking forward to it. I'm going with two of my best and close dearest friends, and we're spending the whole weekend in Manchester for Manchester Pride, and I really can't wait, and it's going to be super exciting. So if you guys got anything planned for the summer that you're really excited about, I'm really excited that I'm going to see Ariana Grande. I mean, I'm going to be probably right at the back and not even get a glimpse of her, but I just can't wait. It's just so exciting. So I'm going to cut the crease using my P. Louise base, the same one as I used before, and I'm just going to cut a crease. And I'm feeling like a yellowy look because it's spring and summer. I want something bright, so I'm going to use this yellow, and this is called Hello Sunshine. And I'm going to use my smoky shader brush from Jessop's. I'm just going to dip into that yellow and pop it all over the cut crease. So I'm just using dabbing motions just to place this colour down. Such a beautiful yellow. If you guys haven't tried these palettes from Beauty Bay, oh my god, you need to try them. They're so pigmented and so nice to use. So for the inner corner, I'm going to use Rise and Shine, which is a beautiful like shimmery yellow, and I'm just going to pop that into the inner corner. Oh yes, 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 yes. I'm absolutely in love with that. I love that. I'm gonna go off camera, pop some lashes on, and I'll be right back, guys. So that's lashes on, guys, and we're gonna go straight onto the face now. So for primer, I'm going to be using the Primark Radiance Primer, which I absolutely am in love with. So it's my top. So I'm absolutely in love with this primer. It is affordable. I think it was like £4 for the primer, which is quite expensive for Primark, but it's really nice and I'm absolutely obsessed. Gives you that like lit from within glow, which I'm living for this summer. So yeah, if you haven't tried it, go try it. So what I've been really loving for foundation just lately is mixing these two together. So I've got the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in like tan, and then I've got the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation, and this one is in the shade 20 Ivory, and I just mix these two together. Once I've buffed it all in with the brush, I like to sometimes go in with this beauty blender or sponge and just pounce it all into my face. For concealer, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer in 320 Porcelain. Now this is really super full coverage, so I tend to just use a little bit because a little bit of this goes a long way, guys. And I think I got it too light, so next time I get it I might have to go up for the next shade because it is quite brightening. But I do love a bright under eye. Not gonna lie, but sometimes if I put too much on, it's just too much, if you know what I mean. So a little bit of this goes a long way. To set that straight away, because with me I will crease really bad, so I'm using my Laura Mercier powder to do that, and my Real Technique contour brush, and I'm just going to concentrate on setting the under eye. And just everywhere else I put that concealer. I'm going to use my Larizzi stick for this, which is literally gorgeous. I got this in a beauty box subscription. I think it was a glossy box, and I love it. I really do love it. And I'm going to just use my sponge to blend that all in. Set the rest of my face, I'm going to use my Fit Me Loose powder, and I'm going to use my Real Techniques brush, and I'm just going to pat that over and just set the foundation. And to bronze up my face a little bit, I'm going to use my Make Up For Ever, the Bronze Profusion bronzer, and this one is in 35i, and it's stunning. And I'm going to use my Essence flat powder brush and just bronze up the cheekbones. What's your favourite products? Have you got any favourite products, guys, that you absolutely love out of your whole makeup routine? Mine's definitely eyeshadow. So what's yours? I feel really cringy saying that to myself, but I'm not saying it to myself, I'm saying it to you guys. That's what I've got to remember. I'm talking to you guys, not just the camera. For blusher, I'm going to be using the Rimmel Maxi Blush, and this one is in Exposed, and I'm going to use my Real Techniques blush brush and just pop a bit of blusher. When I mean a bit, I mean a lot, because I love my blusher. Or maybe a little bit too much.
I'll just take a big fluffy brush and blend.
I'm going to use my new Primark Sunset Beam Coconut Primer Water. I love this stuff. Highlight today, I'm going to use my Cover FX highlighter. I love this stuff. I'm hitting pan, and this one is in Moonlight. go back into the Bare Necessity and pop that underneath using my Smoky Shader 234 brush from Zoeva. And I'm just going to really concentrate that under the eye. I'm going to go into Peppy Pecan, I'm sure that's how you say it, and I'm going to pop that 3/4 of the way in. So I'm just going to leave the eyeshadow like that underneath because it's very nice, very subtle. And I'm going to use the LA Girl Blooming Lash Mascara and pop some lower lashes on. So for lips, I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever lip gloss, and it is in a really neon pink. I haven't got a clue what the name of this is. If I can find out, then I will let you know down below, guys. So I'm just going to apply this. It's got a really weird dough, it's like flat, so it's easy to apply. So this is the end of the video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up because it helps you girl out, helps out the channel. And I will see you in the next one, guys. Love you all, stay beautiful as always, and stay safe. Bye, guys.